Hello everyone, welcome to First Ready Computer Training College. Today I will show you how to create forms in Azani Internet Service Provider system step by step. We have our tables here. We also have the relationship. So we are supposed now to create the forms. Remember, the form is an input that we use to input data in our tables. We will start with creating institution form. We will come to create form wizard. We will select institutions, add all fields. Then we go next. Here we will give the name of the form institution. Then we go to finish. We have our form institutions. We save, then we close. Our next form will be form subscriptions. So we'll come to create form wizard. We will choose subscriptions. We add all fields. Next. Then we rename it here form subscriptions. We finish. In this subscription form, we are having institution ID, service ID. We can put drop downs instead of IDs. So we'll come to design view, institution ID, we right click, change, then combo box. We will come to data, then under row source, we will put an SQL command. Let me zoom for you to see. Select institution ID, institution name from institutions. From there, we come to all. Column count, we put 2. Column width, we put 0 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Then we save. We come to service ID. We right click. We change to combo box. Data, resource. I zoom, you see it. Select service ID, bandwidth from services. Here, whenever we will put any data in the institutions, we will be seeing institution name. For example, you can see we are seeing First Ready College. So under service ID, we can see the bandwidth. I somehow enlarge the zones. We come to create form payments. Create form wizard. We add all the fields. If we need to improve it, under payment type, we can change to combo box. Right click, change to combo box. Then under row source, payment type, either it's registration, installation, or monthly payment. We go to creating form infrastructure. We come to create form wizard. We select table infrastructure. We select all fields. Form infrastructure. We have institution ID. Now instead of seeing IDs that is 1, 2, 3, we need to see the institution name. But it will stop institution ID. So I'll come to design view. On institution ID, I will right click, change to combo box. And on row source, select institution ID, institution name from institutions. On column count, 2, column width 0 centimeter, 5 centimeter. With that, have created all forms that we require in our Azani Internet Service Provider. So in our next lesson, I will guide you through creating queries in Azani Internet Service Provider. Remember to share, subscribe, and comment.